This is Edifier's W820NB wireless headphones. They're an affordable pair of noise-canceling headphones, and today we're going to take a quick look and see what they offer when it comes to sound quality and overall value. Let's get started. At a retail price of around £69 if you're in the UK, the W820NB headphones come with cool features that do make them worthwhile. But in a crowded marketplace dominated by a ton of different brands, are these headphones worth your hard-earned cash? Now, these were sent over by Edifier, but I did not receive any financial compensation or sponsorship for this video. If you want to check these out, I will drop some links to the W820NBs in the description below, as well as links to some of our other videos here on Team VRY. With that said, let's get started. Now, the Edifier W820NBs come in basic packaging. Opening the box, you are greeted by the headphones themselves, although you do get some additional paperwork that includes a user guide, as well as some safety and precaution stuff, as well as a USB-C charging cable. The headphones have a nice and simple look, and as you can see here, we have the white collar variant, although they are also available in black. The headphones themselves are made entirely out of plastic, save for the foam pads around the headband and the ear cups. Of course, you can adjust the headband, and the ear cups do swivel for better comfort and storage. The right ear cup features all of your controls, which include the power button that also serves as a play and pause button, volume controls, and a Bluetooth pairing switch. They do feel nicely built and are lightweight, which makes them comfortable for long periods of use. One thing to take note of is that there are times when I can hear the joints moving around when I'm wearing them, but other than this, I've had no problems with the build quality. Setup is easy, as all you have to do is turn on the headphones and hold down the Bluetooth pairing switch, so your smart device can see the headphones appear on the Bluetooth device menu. Once you accept the pairing prompt, it's all systems go. You can also download Edifier's official Android app on the Google Play Store, which lets you enable noise cancelling and ambient sound features, as well as activate the gaming mode. I had no problems with connectivity when using the headphones, which was rather nice. In terms of sound quality, the W820NB headphones have a nice and balanced sound, with bass that is easily heard but does not overpower the highs and mids, which themselves are mixed at just the right levels. I'd say that the W820NB has a kind of warm sound to it if I were to describe the overall quality. The active noise cancelling is very impressive as well, and I do like how little it affects the overall sound quality when listening to my music. Of course, it's not on the same level as more expensive headphones from Bose, for example, but it gets the job done nicely. The microphones have a built-in deep neural network system for noise cancellation during calls, and I was able to use the headphones during video chats and voice calls as they sounded clear. So this is a sample recording on my Pixel 6 using the W820NBs as a Bluetooth microphone. So the input is going through the microphone right now, so if you're hearing my voice, this is how it's going to sound like if the microphone is connected to my phone for sound input. When it comes to battery life, Edifier says that the headphones can last for up to 49 hours of usage on a single charge, which I found to be pretty accurate. With ANC on, however, this is cut down to around 29 hours, which is still a pretty long period of time, especially if you're going to be bringing these on a plane trip or such. Charging the headphones from 0 to 100% will take about an hour and a half via the USB-C charging port. It would have been nice to see fast charging support on the headphones, but the low price means that there will be compromises. So what's the verdict? Well, if you're after a pair of affordable headphones that come with good sound quality, long-lasting battery life, and solid noise cancellation features, then the W820NBs are a great choice. They're also comfortable, and the lightweight build means that they're pretty ideal for long trips. At a price well below £100, they're definitely worth checking out, and people looking for a relatively affordable pair of wireless ANC headphones should try these out. I'm going to drop some links below in the description in case you want to get these headphones for yourself. Now guys, we do have a ton of audio reviews here on the channel, so feel free to check out our other videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.